dream of mine for the past few years to become the first ever female Syrian refugee pilot, and I managed to achieve it. What I love most about being a pilot is the fact that I can take control of my own path, take control of the airplane and where I want to go. It's about having the sky as my limit. It got to a situation where basic life necessities started getting more and more expensive or just not available at all. Water, gas for heating, or petrol for cars, or even just electricity, sometimes just not accessible at all. So for my parents, it was a top priority that we carry on our education because they knew that it was our key to success in the future. I had situations where I didn't know where I'd come out alive or not, and that's when my dad decided that it was time for him to leave Syria and seek asylum, and luckily he made it to the UK and he managed to bring us with him. 5 years into living in the UK, I can definitely call it my home. It's a place where I can actually be myself and be proud of myself and be surrounded by people who support me. Me and my mum were staying in a hotel by Heathrow Airport, and I was amazed by the sight of planes taking off and landing. I found it truly amazing to just look at them and admire this complex machine. And from there, I think my love for planes ignited. I'm someone who's not very welcomed by other countries because of my nationality, because I am a refugee. I feel it would be so cool if I'm actually the person flying a plane from a country to country just because it's my job. It's the challenge, it's proving people wrong. I never thought that I would be where I am today. Very close to graduating from university, having like a pilot's license, working with the UNHCR. I feel it's very important for all refugees to get the education that they deserve. Without the opportunities of education, they would not have hope for the future. By investing in education for refugees, we're investing in dreams and hopes. So that's why I'm very proud to be working with UNHCR, just to show an image of refugees that people sometimes forget. We can live and dream and achieve and be as successful as anybody else. A goodwill ambassador in Arabic is Safirat al-Nawaya al-Hasana, and it just brings tears in my eyes because it's just a good thing that's happening. I feel like I'm even more excited to it than having my license, because I know being associated with this title with such a big organization, it just means that you're truly a good person.
A refugee is like any other human being. The one difference between us and most other people is a big one. We lost our homes.
I can't wait until I'm a commercial pilot and I work on an airline and I speak on the microphone of a plane with passengers.
So, in a few years' time, you'll set off on a holiday or attend a business trip. And hopefully, you will sit and hear the same voice you're hearing just now. But without education, however, I could never hoped to say these words. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Thank you.